Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Play Soon. In this video, let us see how to find the length of the last word in the given string. Now, we have a given string that is get placed soon. Here, the last word is soon. Soon is of 4 letters. So, we are supposed to return number 4 as our output. Now, let us see how to solve this in programming. But before getting started with the approach, I just wanted to tell you about the concept called leading spaces and trailing spaces. Now, here you can see in gray color, I have mentioned underscores. It is nothing but a space. For your clarity, I have mentioned underscores. So, space, get space, placed space, soon space, right? This string consists of both trailing and leading spaces. Leading space means the string starts with a space. So before the word get, we have a space. Trailing space means the string ends with a space. After the word soon, we have a space. So we can trim the leading and trailing spaces with the inbuilt function trim, and the resulting string will be get placed soon. So we will not get any difference in the output of the program, right? So before starting with the program, you are supposed to remove leading and trailing spaces. After removing the trailing and leading spaces, the string would look like this: get placed soon, without spaces at the starting and the ending. Now, our idea is to create a count variable and initialize it with 0. We will start the loop from the last because we want the length of the last word only, right? So, we'll start the iteration at the last letter, that is n. We encountered n, we will increase the count variable 1. Again, I minus minus, I value comes to 0, so we increment count variable. Again, now it comes to another 0, again we increment the count variable. Now it come to yes, now we again increment count variable. So we encountered 4 count. Now again iterating, now we encountered a space. Whenever we encountered a space, we will break the loop and return the value of the count. Now the value of the last word soon is equals to 4. I hope you understand the approach. Now let's see how to do this in coding. In the given function, in the main function, we are giving the string input get placed soon, and we are taking the length variable and passing the string into the function length of last words. After that, we'll print the result. Now look at the function length of last word. We are passing the string that is get placed soon as a parameter. Now in the step s is equals to s dot trim, we are trimming the leading and trailing spaces. After that, we are creating one more variable length is equals to 0. Now here we'll start the for loop. We start the for loop backwards, that is from right to the left side. So from the end of the string, that is s dot length minus 1. Why did we keep minus 1? Because indexing here starts from 0. The for loop runs from last character of the string to the first character of the string, decrementing each and every letter. Inside the for loop, we will check if the character is equals to space. So the loop runs until it encounters a space. If a space is encountered, we will break the loop, or else we will continue to increment the count variable, that is length variable, and at the end we will return the length, that is the count variable in the previous example. So this is how we solve the problem. I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Now, speaking about time and space complexity, we are looping through the entire program only once. That's why the time complexity will be O of n. Speaking about space complexity, we are not creating any extra additional spaces. That's why the space complexity will be constant, that is O of 1. I hope you understand the video. If you like it, please like it and share it with your friends. Please subscribe to our channel Get Placement. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.